So today we're looking at the beautiful Benyar men's watch. This is a quartz movement chronograph watch on a silicone strap. This watch not only looks good, but has a reliable Japanese quartz movement that can maintain accurate time and almost 2 years of battery life with a calendar window at 4 o'clock. It's made of high quality stainless steel and provides toughness and corrosion resistance. The watch face provides chronograph 1/10 second dial, chronograph second dial, chronograph minute dial, and a calendar window at 4 o'clock. You have the top button is a start-stop timing button. The dial is an adjustable time and caliber with 2 positions, and the bottom button is a reset timer button. The instructions are in the packaging list if you have any questions. For its beautiful daytime effect in bright light, it has a luminous effect for when you go into the darkness, and it emits a green light for at least 4 hours in a dark environment, depending on the amount of light that the watch absorbs during the day. It's 100 meters waterproof. The design is a classic design. It kind of pays homage to kind of a Daytona model, and it's unique because you could wear it in business and in casual situations. It's suitable for any attire. The silicone band is very comfortable right out the packaging. 0 break-in period, and even though the watch comes in a little large and a little heavy, but it wears really comfortable, and you could forget about it when it's on your arm. But yet, its beauty and its stunningness, with its classic look, it just pops and really gives you a rich, beautiful watch feeling and a look. The case thickness comes in at 14.45 millimeters. And they provide a guarantee of 12 months quality guarantee for their men's wristwatches. And if you have any questions, they'll be happy to talk with you. So my overall impression is this is a great budget watch that looks like $1,000,000 and worry free. You can wear it in any environment. It's not like you have to be paranoid that if you scratch it or hit it, and the comfortable feeling of the silicone strap. It just fits really good. No need to change the strap, and I enjoy it, and I think you will too.